Hello beauties, welcome again to Wendy style. Today I just want you guys to know that your hair is a canvas for self-expression and empowerment. So finding the perfect cut can always elevate your confidence to that new height you want. So you can discover the power of a great haircut with this beautiful hairstyle for black women. And this hairstyle, we always flatter various face shapes and hair texture, and it will instill that sense of poise and assurance in every woman. So with this in mind, check out the style. Do you know that a great haircut will always transform your appearance and outlook in life, giving you that self-assuredness like to conquer any challenge? So check out this beautiful hairstyle that is designed especially for you and to boost your confidence and bring out that best version of yourself. Please, if it's your first time on this channel watching this, subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video. A flattering and confidence boosting haircut can make women feel more attractive and self-assured. So when you love your hairstyle, you are more likely to carry yourself with poise and confidence in various situations. So regardless of your age or your lifestyle, these compilations of cute short haircuts for women will definitely do you good. So check out this confidence boosting short hairstyles for beautiful African American women. So there are many stylish and eye-catching options to consider when it comes to short distinctive hairstyles for women. A fascinating option is this beautiful hairstyle on your screen. You can see the hairstyle looks it really gives that appearance, that whimsical twist with that liveliness you want, and it's a bold haircut and a soft haircut that will always highlight your facial features. So if you really are confused on the kind of hairstyle for your next carpet event, or you don't know what to start with, you want to go for the big chop, please watch this video and check out other of my videos. Subscribe if it's your first time, and see you guys in my next video.
I am the Lord, I heard you cry. No need to worry, no need to fear anymore. Bring it on, bring it on. Drop it at my feet. Doesn't matter what the doctors say to you, drop it at my feet. Doesn't matter all that you've been going through, drop it at my feet. It may have been there for 10 years or more, drop it at my feet. Oh. I am the Lord, I heard you Oh, yeah, 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 yo. Oh, my God and my Father, bless your people. Take away their pains. Doesn't matter what the landlord says to you. Doesn't matter what the people say to you. For your shame, I will give you double. I will give you double. Drop it at my feet. Oh, ay, ay, ay. Oh, 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 le, le, le. Oh.
Father to child, from your spirit to my spirit, I am lighted by your word. Yeah.
I reach a breath of life. That's how I call my life. That's how you change my world. Just breathe your name upon me. Just breathe your name upon me, please. Oh.